Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the usefulness of synthetic division in evaluating a bunch of potential roots really quickly to find out which one is the real root. So it says, which are factors of p of x here? So first I'll start by writing the coefficients of the polynomial. 1, -5, 3, and 9. And then we'll just, so I'll evaluate it at 1 first, or x minus 1. So I drop that 1 down there, multiply, find the sum, multiply, find the sum, multiply, and the sum. Alright, so we have a remainder of 8, so we're going to know that that one doesn't work. So let's try it again at x is equal to 3. So here I'm not going to rewrite the coefficients up there. I'm just going to do another one right here, and I'll ignore all these numbers here, and I'll drop that 1 here, and then 1 times -3, and I'll write that here. Wait a minute. Didn't leave myself enough room. Right there. Okay, drop the 1, multiply by -3. And then I want to take the sum of -5 and -3, and I have -8. And then it's going to be 24. And then the sum is 27. And I can already see, because I know -3 times 27 is not, doesn't sum with 9 to be 0. So I can already tell you that this one's not going to work out, but I'll go ahead and do it anyways. -81, I think. Yeah, -81. And that sums to be -73. So the remainder there is -73, I'm pretty sure, or 72. Yeah, it's, what is it? 72. And then we have 3. We'll try x minus 3 next. So I drop the 1. 1 times 3 is 3, and then I'm adding -5 with 3, and I have -2. -2 times 3 is -6, and 3 minus 6 is -3. -3 times 3 is -9. And I know this one is going to be a root because 9 minus 9 is 0. Our remainder is 0, so we found one of the roots. So I could rewrite p of x like this. P of x is equal to x minus 3. And these are going to be the coefficients of the quotient. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 3. And if we wanted to factor this further, we could just factor our quadratic equation now. We know that -3 has, so -3 will have two factors, -3 and 1, that sum to be -2. So actually x minus 3 is a double root here. So we have x minus 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 1. And that will be the full factorization of p of x.